Hey there, welcome back. This is looking at Handout 5.6D, solving equations using distributive property. And as always, the handout is in the description below. So on this assignment, I am going to go ahead and I want to take a look at number 4. So if you're following along, you want the whole handout, remember it's in the link, but for this video, I am just doing number 4. Okay, so what it means to use the distributive property is that, hey, where's my, there it is. Parentheses means that you have to multiply what's on the outside to everything on the inside. So -8 times 1 is -8. And -8 times +8n is going to be -8 times 8 is 64. And because this has an n, this has an n, is equal to -392. So now I always like to evaluate and see there's a constant, a variable, and a constant. So when looking at this, on the left-hand side, you cannot have squares and circles on the same side. So you must move the circle away to the other circle. So opposite side, opposite sign, +8, +8, because what you do to one side, you have to do to the other. Okay, so -8 + 8, well, that's 0. You do not have to write the +0. Going to drop this down, -64n. Don't forget the center line is your equal sign. And -392 + 8 is -384. Okay. And now the last step is you still need n. You need the value of one single n. So divide by -64, divide by -64, because -64 divided by -64, that's 1n. You don't have to write the 1. I like to, just because I know when I'm done when I have +1. A negative and a negative, that actually makes the answer positive. 384 divided by 64 is 6. So 1n equals +6 or n equals 6, however you prefer to write it.